Hey Glamfam, so today we are going to be doing a Halloween slash goth slash edgy haul from Rosegal. If you guys don't know what Rosegal is, I've done a video with them in the past. They are an online retailer that sells so many different styles of clothing. In particular, I really like them because they have so many like unique and individual pieces, and I really love that about them. They have everything from shirts to pants to jewelry, to corsets, to dresses, to stockings. If you guys would like to check them out, I will link them down below, and you can use my discount code. That will be down there as well. And I will link all of these stuff that I am featuring in this video down below as well, if I can. Really quick, if you are new here, hello! My name is Josie, and I hope you hit that subscribe button down there to become part of the Glam Fam. We're a pretty awesome bunch here. Let's jump into this haul. First thing that I'm gonna be showing you guys today is this super cute. By the way, bear with me because I have the names of everything in front of me so I can tell you what it's called. This is the Raglan Sleeve Round Collar Bat Print Halloween t-shirt. And it is a long sleeve flare shirt that has a bat on it. Look how cute it is. It's super cute. I really like how this fit me, although it is a tad big, so I will probably wear a waist belt with it. Super cute everyday wear, and honestly, I'll probably wear all of this all year round, because that's just my style, but, you know, to each their own. If you want to buy it for just Halloween, then you can buy it for just Halloween. The second item is long line sweater with half zipper. So, I liked this as a sweater dress, just me, because it's really long. See? And it has a zipper right here, and it goes like pretty low. So depending on how risky you want to be, you can be like very modest and zip it all the way. Well, you can't zip it all the way up because then your head won't fit through it. But you can zip it high, or you can zip it super low for like a sexy night out. Super cute, super comfy as well. It's like very well made. The next thing is something that I didn't think I would really ever like to wear, and that is this long sleeve sparkly surplus bodysuit. So this is a bodysuit, so it buttons at the bottom of it, and you can wear it under like skirts or maybe a high-waisted pants. It is cinched at the waist where it fits you at the waist, and I really like that. And I actually kind of really like how this fits my body even alone. It's very sexy and very flattering, I think, on my body frame. The next item is these zipper elastic waist skinny pants, and when it says skinny pants, man, y'all, this really pulls my waist in. There's this like really thick band at the top, and these are high-waisted, so like this really sucks your waist in, but they have the zippers, and then they're just regular, you know, skinny pants. The next thing I got were these stockings, and they are just some fishnet stockings. They're actually called hollow mesh fishing net pantyhose, and I was scared that these weren't gonna fit me because your girl has some big hips. They fit me just fine, like literally just fine, and so really good buy. Really easy to wear with so many things. The next thing I got was this hat, and this hat is called the Solid Hoop Embellished Baseball Cap, and it is just this, it is a basic black hat, but it has these hoops on it. Just 3 little hoops. Makes it a little edgy, which is totally my style. And it is actually unisex. Chicks and dudes can both wear this, and it look really good. I really like it because it adds a little something to an everyday hat, and you can easily play off that with your outfit. Next item is the Triangle Decoration PU waist belt. So this is super cute, guys. I'm gonna cut to a scene where I was wearing it. Oh, Super cute, super flattering because it's not too thick and it's not too super skinny where like a piece of yarn or string or something. Super cute. Love the metal accent. You guys know me, I'm all about silver, and it's just really cute to add to pretty much any outfit since it's black. The next items are these cute little bat earrings. Do you guys see these? Ah, they're super cute, and I love anything bats. So like these were like, I really love these, and it also comes with a matching little necklace that is the same exact bat, which really makes me excited because I just love it. I just love it so much. The next thing I got was the high waist lace up punk pants. Oh my gosh, guys. These are so cute. They are just regular, you know, like legging material. Super cute. They're black, and then you turn to the side and bam. It's like this whole entire lacy piece on the side of your leg, and it is so sexy and so cute, and I just really love these. Next thing I got was something that I really wouldn't normally gravitate towards because of the color, but it is called the Cold Shoulder Lace Up Zippered Fit and Flare Dress. Oh my god, guys. This is so cute, especially for fall. So they have these two little strappy doodles here, and then it is a laced up front, so you can make it, you know, more revealing or less revealing, whichever you want. And then it has these long sleeves and also a cinched in waist. Yes, please. It is made so well with really good thick material, which is pretty awesome if you ask me, especially for the price. The next thing I got was something that I seen on like Facebook ads and Instagram ads and a few other places, you know, here and there, is this quick style makeup bag. So this is called the quick makeup bag, and this is what it looks like. So I'm sure you guys have seen these. So you open them and they have these cinchers in it, but these cinchers come all the way out and the bag actually goes flat. So you can see all of your makeup like in front of you and you don't have to like dig around. And then when you're done, all you do is just pull the corners and just cinch it up and then Velcro the top back down. And the two strings can actually act as like what you throw over your shoulder for like a purse moment. It's pretty awesome and super cute and really good for like traveling. The next item is the tiered asymmetrical slit skirt. So very like punky, very edgy. It looks like this. It zips in the front, and then the front is a little bit shorter with some like thin material that comes down from there. Super cute. And then the back, this was my favorite part. The back actually splits and tears down. Do you see that? Hello. It's super cute and I really love it. So the next thing I got is this super cute bat dress. So it looks like this. You can't really see it here because it's just a dress with bat wings. But I will show you the clip that I have wearing it. It's super cute and really it's a little too big on me once again, but again, the waist belt that we got looks bomb with this. And then we also got the bat print A-line plunging neck dress. So this is super cute, guys. Once again, black. Can you guys tell what my favorite color is? Probably not. You don't know what my favorite color is. So this is a black top, and then once you come down to your waist, it is just bats. It's bats. Super cute. Oh my goodness. And it also has a cute little neckline. It's like plungy, but not like crazy plungy, and super comfy and stretchy and light and airy. And yep, I'm in love with this dress. All right, then we got this hat right here. Ooh, kind of witchy, because it's black, but not really like witch hat. It's just very cute on, and it can be an accent to pretty much any outfit. All right, and then the next thing I got is this spider web kind of like poncho. So you put this over your head and it's like, it kind of looks like wings, but it's also see-through, so it can also be very sexy. And I really like it because it can pretty much fit anyone, because all it is just a poncho, an over-the-head poncho. So really, anyone can wear this. And you can wear it on top of anything, once again. And then I also got this felt heart choker. Super cute. Really, 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 really cute. It clasps at the back, which I like as well. And then I have this shirt that I have on right now. Yes, super cute. Also, completely and 100% Josie vibes. Everything about this shirt is like totally my like aesthetic, like what I really love to like wear, like strappy, shoulderless, cutouts with the metal in them, and I freaking love it so much. The last item that I have here are these star printed leggings. I wore this with the shirt that I have on right now, and I got so many compliments on my outfit, guys. Like, everyone was like, ooh, your outfit is super cute. I'm like, thank you. Totally affordable. So these are very stretchy, and also they are like the perfect tone gray, and I really love how each star has like little cutout stitches in them. That gives it like a very unique look. Alright guys, that is it for this haul slash try on slash lookbook. I really hope you enjoyed it. Once again, if you would like to check out Rosegal, I will leave them in the description below, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Bye! Mwah.